Hi everyone, this is Quentin. There is a pizza in the microwave.
Is the box still in there?
No, only just the pizza. I don't think so.
This is the cinnamon one.
I think the box is too big.
You want me to warm it up a little?
The box is too big.
What is this?
Whoa.
Did you not? What did you do here? What are your vitamins over there?
How many seconds did it took? How many seconds did it took?
Okay, come on. Do it. Please, I want to warm this
How?
up for
90.
30 seconds. How much did you put in there? How many pieces?
I want 32
Okay,
seconds.
hurry up.
Press start.
Here, start it. Go.
Where's...
Start. It's right there.
Alright, there's a pizza in the microwave. Let's start it. And there it goes. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End, Mama.
Good. Okay, take it out.
It's an end. My pizza's ready. And we're in the top floor hotel room. We're
You
high up.
probably want to do 30 more seconds. It's not more than that.
Whoa, that's 30 plus 30 is 90.
It's 60.
Whoa,
Let's start.
60.
30 plus 30 is what?
60.
There you go. Let's start. Go. Clary Sons your cinnamon roll.
It's still going. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End. I want to check the word
Do this
end.
for 10 seconds. For Clary's, please. 10 seconds.
Let's count. How about 12?
It's going to be too long. It says 10.
It doesn't do for. See? It does do it like 12. It's not too long. It's see, not too long. Ooh, I don't like that smell it made. I like the end. I'll just leave it on end. This is the word end. E N D. End. I'll just leave it on end, but I'll need a video on YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe for the channel. Bye. See you soon.